Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal for insurance reimbursement tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type www.paypal.com in the address bar. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the PayPal homepage to load. Look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. A login window will open. Enter your email address associated with your PayPal account. Click on the next button. Now, enter your password in the field provided. Click on the login button again. You will be directed to your PayPal dashboard. Locate the Activity tab along the top menu. Click on the Activity tab. Here, you can view your recent transactions. To track insurance reimbursements, look for specific entries related to insurance. You can use the filters to narrow down your search. Select the date range that corresponds to your reimbursements. To view transaction details, click on the individual transaction. Review the information provided for clarity on reimbursements. If needed, download transaction details for your records. To log out, click on your name at the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged out of your PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.